Yeah. It's time for Cool Tools with Eric Schaper.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Cool Tools with Eric Schaper. Today we're going to show you a couple Sapphire 370s we had just finished. We can install in something like this. This is for restoration. It doesn't have the room that we would typically love to have. It is a used truck that they purchased. We did do the Line X, we call it spray liner. And then we have a 370 on a belly tank, 70 gallons fresh water, 90-gallon waste tank. Again, everything's ready to roll. The belly tank, the weight is centered in the truck, so we like that a lot. For these guys in restoration waters, having 70 gallons is perfectly fine for what they use. They do a lot of rinse downs, basements and sewage. But if you come around back, there's not a ton of room for equipment in this particular setup. But we have to do the reels out the back. We did do a little electric reel here for them, so they can wipe down hoses with their right hand with a wet rag, and then as you're reeling it up with electric, we also have a live solution so they could run that in as well. So this is just a standard install. Now we'll show you a custom one. This is a Ford Transit high top. The key here is this bulkhead. It's very well contoured to the water tank, so we found this one, and this is the one we're going with for a high top, again because it is so contoured. We have a reel here that we mount. This is hardened steel in the back on these Fords, which is hard to get in, but we mount the bracket horizontal, so it just takes the roof weight off of anything, and there's no structural integrity any issues with it. Again, we did put an electric reel on this unit, so they can just hit a button and then reel it up. This one's right here, and then the solution's there. That is live as well, but this setup is great. Let me show you around back. This is our standard setup for somebody that wanted a truck mount. Again, we have aluminum and steel, a little bit of mix, and we can put the dehumidifiers underneath. And then we can stack a little bit more than this, air movers. So there's 2, 4, 5. We can get a 6 in there, 6, 12, 18, 24 easily will fit on this. Then you can put air scrubbers. You can put more underneath here. We have a bin shelf. The top levels, we have it open for poly, things of that nature. And then each department, you can put whatever you want in, right? So any interest, give us a call. Call the office at 215-592-0812. Or reach out by text or email. Appreciate you. Thank you and have a good day.
Cool Tools with Eric Schaper.